Hey everyone, this is Landon here in Marble Falls, Texas, here at my shop, and we're going to do some paintless dent repair on this Honda Odyssey. And I'll bring you in closer here in just a second so you can kind of see what we're working on. But we basically got two big dents here in the driver's door, and I'm going to show you how the process works. I brought you in a little bit closer, and you should be able to see I got these two big dents on this Honda Odyssey in the driver's door. And I'm just about ready to set up and get started, so you guys can check it out. We're all wrapped up here, so these two dents really didn't take that long, probably a little bit less than an hour, so it's something you could just wait on while I fix the car. You can drop it off if you want, but if you get a dent or ding like this in your car, or something smaller or something bigger, you know, dents don't have to be forever. So give me a call. My name's Landon here at Dent Connection, Marble Falls.